Mississippi girl life. So y'all, I'm always looking for something to prep, something to add to my preps and all this. I have been to this store before, but you know, we mainly look around. I have pointed out some things, but I'm going back in here because I'm on my prepping, my stocking up mode. So this video is gonna be pretty much like a little prepping vlog, but it's like prepping store vlog or whatever you want to call it. But I'm going into the Asian market, and I want to show y'all what we have in summer. Well, in this Asian market, but you know, some of my Oriental stores here, because a lot of y'all, as I already know, but a lot of y'all have been saying, you know, try the Asian market, try the Oriental markets and stuff like that. And you know, I have looked before, but really, like, some things catch my eye, some things not, but things always changing. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in here, and I'm gonna bring y'all along with me in this video. Let's see what we can find to put in our little prepper pantry, okay? So I'm at the Wee May Asian market. Y'all know I can't say that, but that's what it looks like, okay? So let's go ahead and go in. Alright, y'all. So one of the number one things that always catch my attention is the rice, okay? They always have the big bags, of course, of rice, all right? So like this one right here, Vietnamese fragrant rice. Y'all know my accent be getting in the way, but I know what I'm saying. But it's $30 for a 25-pound bag, okay? Short grain rice, $31 for a 15-pound bag. All right, so many different. This is Asian Best Red Elephant brand. I think that's rice. Is that rice? I think it may be. It's $28.95 for a 25-pound bag. So they have this $10.95 for a 5-pound bag. So as you can see, you know, it can kind of be expensive depending on what you're getting. Medium grain rice, that's a 15-pound bag for $21. So yeah, so that's how our rice look. That's a smaller bag of jasmine rice right here, and it's $3.49 for 2 pounds. So yeah, so let's go ahead and go down and see what else. Well, they got a lot of stuff in the freezer, and this ain't gonna be shelf stable. I'm looking for shelf stable stuff. So let's turn over here. See if there's any. See, they got like baby clams, $4.19. Oh, this would be like our spam type stuff. That's say luncheon meat. It's $5.95. So that's their version of spam luncheon meat, stuff like that. What is this? Cooked duck eggs. Oh no. They got sardines, $3.25 a can. Nothing is calling my eye as far as the price. They got corned beef. This is oxen palm corned beef, $8.25. So they got these little things of sardines and tomato sauce, chili added. $1.49 for those. So just looking, trying to go slow so I don't move too fast, and y'all can see what they have. I'm familiar with Goria black beans. I'm familiar with that. That's $2.49 a can. I think it's a little pricey for some of this stuff, but I don't know if it's because they gotta get imported from like maybe they country. Could this say Chinese style sausage? So crisp cowpea. Okay, all right, yeah. Pickled soured mustard. 3 different pickled sour. Okay. See, okay. And I ended up in this store because of my baby girl right there. She loves the Asian market. So she was like, she wanted to come. They got Lay's stacks. Alright, let's see. It's a lot of their drinks. They got something called grass jelly. Alright. Pineapples, coconut pulp. All different little things. Powerade is $2.99. Chewy jelly. Okay. Alright. That's Tatiana's favorite right there. Bubble tea. She loves bubble tea. I have to be careful with that, with the caffeine. A lot of it have caffeine in it. And you don't want too much caffeine. Different types of bites and stuff. I got these ice pops. They're like a good flavor. Okay, let's see. Butter coconut cookies. Those look kind of good. Banana kick. Now, I do eat seaweed from here, like the seaweed chips, shrimp chips, taro chips. Oh Lord. Wait, that look like Lay's, but it's not. I guess it's like their brand of Lay's. Let me see. They got them all, they look like Lay's. Okay, they have actual Lay's. I say something in melted cheese. And then they have like their brand, I guess, of Lay's. Kind of look. They got regular Lay's, but it's in their language. And then they got the off-brand Lay's. Baked prawn with melted cheese. Ooh. And then look, they got the off-brand. Like the ones I guess more of, but it looks like
Mexican style barbecue flavor.
No. Drinkable Jack jelly. Okay. They definitely got some newer stuff in here. I'm pretty sure Tatiana done got rice, well, noodles. She loves their noodles. I think the unda, I think I said that right, noodles she really like. Oh, mango flavored desserts. Oh, that's a dessert mix, so that's probably like a powder. Yeah, it is like a powder. Rice cake. Yeah, nothing is shelf staple, like other than like the canned stuff, but I don't know what that stuff is. Hopefully we see something in here other than the rice, you know. Everybody don't want to stack up on rice. There's the seaweed, but I don't know nothing about that brand. I get my seaweed sometimes from like Walmart or Dollar Tree. And I very rarely eat stuff out of Dollar Tree. Oh Lord. Let's see. These little things keep catching my eye. Let me get one for the kids. Like a mango cream filled cookie. Y'all want one of these? Tatiana got money. I don't know if she wanted. Go get Kylie. Tell her to come pick one of these. You and her pick one of these. So let's see. Y'all look at this. Bee garlic, black garlic. Anybody know about that? Let me know. Okay. OJ, come get you one. I think I'm gonna get this mango one.
Supposed to be cookies or something?
Yeah, it's supposed to be filled cookie. Renee, get one to try. They got get one to try. I got the mango filled one. what? Snoopy. Look at that. Snoopy. Cookies of Snoopy. Cocoa chips. That's what it's called. So many different things. I'm going to get this right here. I'm getting the kids some. I want to try this. Koala March. I think I said that right. I'm going to go down this aisle in a minute. But let's go over here. I normally go over here because they normally have more stuff. Little things that you can use. What is this? Oh, I guess some type of little thingy. Okay. But they have like different type of little knives and stuff. Sometimes you can find some stuff. I found out chopsticks here. Like a big thing of chopsticks. But they do be having like different ways you can cook. Different ways that you cook outdoors and different utensils and stuff like that. So that's why I always come over here. Like right here. Let me do this. Like right here. $30. That's one of those portable gas stoves. I know it's kind of upside down, y'all. I'm using one hand to do this. But it's one of these portable gas stoves. So you can find little things in here. And it's $30, you know. When I told y'all I love doing, I always have told you for a couple years now that one of my dreams is van life. Probably I'll never get to do it. But I learned a lot about the things that they use for van life and other different things. But van life is what got me on it. So, they even got the propane or butane or whatever it is that goes in there. The gas, actually. So that's where I really got interested on that, was from watching years and years worth of van life, you know. And I shared with y'all some of my favorite ones that I watch. Look, see, they got those big ones. I think you can cook outside with those. So that's another reason why I come in here. They got fresh eggs. Fresh eggs. This is more than, look at it, they got the quail eggs. I ain't got quails no more. But I don't mess them. I got chickens now again for the umpteenth time. Over here they got a lot of their noodles. See, I can do rice noodles before I can do the other regular noodles. Rice noodles, they work for me. So yeah. We have a lot of different kinds. Rice sticks. So if y'all in this area, check out this Asian market. It's down on Gum Branch. For those of you that's in the area. See the eggs? Yeah, fresh eggs. So, yeah. So, cooking ware, they have the rice. And you may be able to find things you can put in your pantry that, you know, are last. They got rice flakes. So let's go ahead and go down this aisle right here. This is more like their seasonings and stuff like that. Sriracha mayo. All their seasonings. Let's try some and see if there's an expiration date. How their stuff is designed for expiration dates. I don't see one on here. Sweet and sour sauce. ABC. When I think of that, I think about the liquor store. It's ABC. So, yeah. See, you can find little stuff like they have pink Himalayan salt at $7.29. So you can find little stuff that may be useful to put in your purpose pantry. Seasoning. You need some help? Okay. So, yeah. Red curry paste, $1.49. Roast red pork seasoning. A couple different things. Y'all look, Tatiana got a whole bag of stuff. my little 18-year-old graduate spending her money shopping, getting what she wants. Look at her. Oh, mama's so proud. Mama's so proud. I don't know half of the stuff she got and can't eat it. Because it's shrimp flavored and stuff. But okay. As long as she happy and got her own what she wants. That gummy and cocoa. Now let me buy for these other two. They got money. But I know they always go over it. Always go over it. I was able to see, once again, what is at that Asian market. We do have different ones. So I'll probably be putting up different videos. And like I say, I may not find something all the time. But you can go in there and see, because what I may not be interested in, somebody else may be interested in. You may see something that, you know, it's appealing to you. But I'm looking everywhere for stock up items and little things to get the add to. So yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And y'all keep prepping. And I will see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Okay, until next time. Bye.